All right. A well-crafted vision can ignite and fire inspiration. Just like we just talked about, inspiring, doing something different, building your own buildings, having somebody pay the rent for the building, pay your lease off for you. It's just not about a personal motivation. It's about creating an environment where everyone strives in a common dream. Think about a vision being the most eco-friendly microgreen provider you can and rally your team around that. Andy, have you used the power of inspiration with your team?
Yeah, I mean they see kind of our vision and our goal overall, and they're on board, which is great. And it's hard to find employees that actually care.
Yeah,
They see this as their business as well, and
that's
I'm
cool.
always making sure I go above and beyond and out of my way to make sure they feel appreciated, and buy them lunch on a regular basis, and just
Nice.
get them things on a regular basis and whatever, and just try and make them feel like they enjoy working here. We've had a lot of people leave, higher paying jobs actually come and work here, which
Yeah.
is cool,
Yeah.
because they know the environment's really supportive, and we're definitely a fun place to work. We listen to good music all day, and luckily now that the store's closed, we don't have to deal with customers anymore, so it makes it a lot easier, and they
Play
enjoy
whatever
that
you want.
process a lot. Yeah, so it's definitely good. But yeah, they're definitely on board. They see it. They know, as we grow, they're going to grow with us, which is cool. So
Yeah, and as you were talking about last week, that they're definitely on board because they're all willing to. I don't think you're going to lose anybody by moving to the facility that's further away either, are you?
no, we shouldn't. Nope. Yeah, I mean, I'm literally going to support them in ways to make it worth their trip,
Yeah,
to drive that extra distance. So it's definitely
that's
going to
awesome.
work out good, because unfortunately there's a toll between where we all live and where we have to go. So, but luckily there's a pass you can get. I think it's like $20 a year,
Oh,
and you can drive over as many times as you want. It's kind of like an easy
nice.
pass, but just for that particular bridge. So I'm going to buy them all those, so that way they don't have to worry about paying the tolls, and I'm going to give them a little extra money here and there to make sure it's worth their time to drive across the bridge. So, but yeah,
That's
I'm not
awesome.
anticipating losing anybody.
Awesome. Yeah, having good teams, team members, you want to keep them. That's for sure.
Yeah, they're just as excited to get out of here as I am. Believe me.
Are they tired of retail too?
No, it's cramped in here.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that's the problem. I mean, we have so much stuff in here now. It's like insane. There's very little room. It's very inefficient as far as the layout.
Hmm.
So if you're looking for commercial space right now, you that's listening, don't get a long rectangle. Get something that's way more square driven. You can fit a whole lot more racks in there.
Yes.
Because this rectangle sucks. It's 20 feet going this way. You can't even get 4 deep, worth of racks. So it's not fun. We're definitely jammed in here. So get a nice square place if you can.
For sure. Live and learn, right? As we
Yep.
move in this business. So
Yep.
these goals are just yardsticks. They help you track your process, tweak your strategies, and celebrate milestones. Make sure you celebrate your milestones as you go along in life, business, whatever you're doing. Celebrate the little milestones. For example, achieving a set monthly goal for your revenue. We did that. We had our first month of $1,000. We celebrated it. We went out to dinner, enjoyed that moment. As we hit 5,000 a month, we celebrated it. When we hit 5,000 a week, we celebrated it. And you celebrate them goals as you go along, it makes a big difference. Are expanding into new markets are indicators of progress. If you get a new market, that's an indicator of progress. We track our progress with new clients, is how we track our progress now. How many new clients have we gotten? How many new customers did we get this month? How many did we add? That's how we track our progress now. It's not about the money comes with it and all that, obviously, but we track how many new clients we got, how many more units are we moving out the door. That's where we're going now, and we got to go for that.